To create a Twitter or X account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. So first of all, download the X application in your device. If not, you can also head over to your Chrome web application and go on to the official website for X. Now as you download, and at this page, click on the Create Account. Choose your language and click on to Next. Here, type in the name that you would like to have. Enter your email address and your date of birth. Then tap on to Next. As you do so, it will send to the code in your email address that you entered. Go ahead and copy the code from your email. Once you enter your code, create yourself a strong password and make sure it's 8 characters or more. And tap on to sign up. If you would like to upload a profile picture, tap on to upload. If not, simply tap on skip for now. And this will be a username for your X account. Tap on to next on your bottom right. Tap on to continue. And it will suggest you to follow some people to get started. Do that. This is how you can create yourself a Twitter account. If you tap onto your profile on your top left, it will show you your username and your email address and all the people that you are following. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.